Breaking news. Guys, if you're failing at digital marketing, this is probably the reason. Guys, you're going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal what the main issue for most people out there is. Guys, do me a favor. If you are not afraid of hard work, just double tap the screen. Hi guys, my name is Paul Gillespie and I help people make online money. So please guys, you're going to want to share this and save it for later. I'm telling you, someone's going to want to hear this. You could really help someone. So like I said guys, if you're failing at digital marketing, this one reason is probably it. So many people are out there doing the same thing as other people. So you're going to want to listen to this. The reason I know this, guys, is because this is the mistake I made, especially as a beginner, and I had to figure it out. So I want to share it with you guys. So the number one reason people fail at digital marketing, especially in social media, guys, is because they don't use proper hooks and subhooks. The way to get more views out there, guys, is simply this: to get people to watch your video for longer. If they watch it for longer, TikTok or YouTube's algorithms will push your content out as it's good for their business. So guys, what I do is I help people in digital marketing. What I do is I mentor them for free. And guys, I at least get you to your first sale. I want to help you get your first sale. So if you want more information, guys, just type yes in the comments and I will gladly share my information, mentorship, and the blueprint with you. Know your value.